Hello everyone, welcome to Move Abroad with Parrot. Today I wanted to show you how you can use the MIS of our company. It's a new product which will help us to give you the best service. As you see, we have this management information system for Parrot. Actually, it has around 7 portals. I want to show you how you will use this MIS. Actually, for you as a student, you will need our services. You will need the university admission portal, the study loan application portal. Sometimes for those who are applying to USA, we need the I-20 application portal, even a credit transfer application portal for those students who have the low grades and so on. So let us see one by one. When you come, you will have this link. You open the tab, you paste the link, then enter. Once you come to the university admission portal, you go to view details. If you want, you can read. It will tell you something about what a Parrot Canada visa consultant do. We give you some details. We tell you that we help people to apply for Canada universities, USA universities, Europe universities, Australia, UK, and Asia in general. And remember, nowadays you have the physical office in Rwanda, Kigali, and Musanze. So we have the physical office in Kenya, Embu. We have physical office in Ghana, Zambia, Tanzania, and South Korea. Very soon, we are trying to open the office in Mozambique, South Africa, Gambia, and Burundi. See? We help our students to get fast admission. Sometimes in 5 days, you can get admission depending upon to the university. We provide some pathway scholarship for like 90% in North Cyprus now is available for both bachelor, masters, and PhD. Also, we give you the visa application support. And sometimes, service fees, they requested when we have a kind of promotion. Like nowadays in North Cyprus, we are helping people free of charge. You need only to pay application fees, admission fees, then we will never charge you the service fees. It is a promotion which will be ended. This is for first portal. I come back, then I can copy this link and share to my friend who needed to apply also, or if I need to apply for Canadian universities, for example, called the University of Windsor, I come to apply now. Then they request me to select region. If I need the Africa University, I go there. If I need Asia University, I go there. If I need Canadian University, I go to Canada. I click here automatically, then they bring the list of universities in partnership with Parrot Canada Visa Consultant. As I told you, I need to apply to University of Windsor. You see? I'm going to share the name of quickly, like Parrot Canada. The email, I can use this one. Can choose any number. The mail, the country of birth, so I select Rwanda. Even here is Rwanda. Second nationality, I don't have other one, not applicable. City of birth, maybe Kigali. Date of birth, you can select yours, anyone. Let me put this, like this. Address, can take anyone. Kigali, province, Kigali city. Zip code. Application date is date of today. Then next. Maybe I jumped one field, let's see together. This address, Kigali. While the system is saying please fill quality, there is something missing where? I can't see. Where is the error? Let's check together. Parrot, Kigali, Embu. Why it can't continue? That's long. You see, now it's what? If you need the master's or bachelor, you come here, you see the list of bachelor available there. You come here, you see the list of masters available. You can come also and see the list of PhD available. You see? For example, I need to apply for Masters of Engineering. Then it's Canada. Okay. I keep it, save and continue. They ask us the selected destination is Canada, where only cover tuition fees. Who will pay the tuition fees? Is the loan. I am planning to apply for a loan. Cost of living in Canada, you will pay it yourself. Travel expenses, maybe your family member. No, here is no. Even here is no. Can put the name of emergency person. Someone may be contacted in case of need. Let me put always Parrot. Canada. Then I can put this email like this. Save and continue. I forget the number. Relationship, maybe is a friend. Is the minus contact does yes, the same as yes, masters. You put the previous education, maybe I study at the University of Rwanda. Kigali. Always Kigali. Kigali city. Rwanda. Post code is this one. Language of instruction was English. When did the applicant start previous studies? Maybe it was in 2000 June. When did the applicant graduate? We put 2004 in October or November. You see? No. As the yes, this is university. Do you have the passport? Yes, I have. Have you ever had a visa rejection? No. Then you attach your degree and the transcript. I can put any document here. You can put any document because we are studying. I continue. Even those documents here, I put anyone here. I put anyone here. So you have to look for the required document. Here I'm using anyone because we are just guiding you. So when you are being helped by our agent at the office, you will see the name of our agent. Maybe suppose that it's called the study abroad. That's the name of our agent, even if we don't have the agent called the study abroad. That is simple. Then here's also a simple email. Any comment you can say that help me, for example, help me to get admission as soon as possible. Then you submit. After submitting, you will get a notification email, and that notification email will have this application ID. You keep this one, you will need it to monitor your application. See? If you come with this number, you try to put it here, then you see. They will show you everything there. See? So it was for university admission portal. Even for other portals, you come, you click here. If you need the loan, then you select either Embu finance loan or Paldal-gu finance loan. If it is Embu, you click here, then you start filling your information till you go to the last step of submitting. So here I have I-20. Can you see the details? They are available every time. Then you go to apply. If you get admission from Catholic University of America, you click here. If it is Webster University, you click here. If it is the Eric PI University, you click here. If it is a Villa University like that, then you click and start application. You fill your information till you submit. This one is for our staff. You don't need to come here. Also, this agent commission request portal is for our agent. We even invite everyone who needed to be representative of our company. If you are interested to be our representative in a region, you can contact us to the email given at the end of this video. If our client gets a visa, you will get commission. See, it's good, it's good. We need the agent from DRC, for example. We don't have someone to represent us in DRC. We don't have someone to represent our company in Zimbabwe. We need those people. Even in Nigeria, also we need someone from there. So for this credit transfer, as I told you, normally the credit transfer will be needed in case the student has the low marks and they need to get first class. In this case, we help a student to be registered to our partner university. Then they are going to consider the previous grade. They will give him or her some works to do. After finishing those works, they will evaluate and see if the student will get the first class to be eligible for loan, for example. This credit transfer normally is very important in life. So when you need that credit transfer, you come here, apply now. Then you start filling all of the information here. Once you finish, you click next up to the end. Then you submit. Also, the last one is for visit visa. This one will be needed by our clients. Most of the people need to come here in Canada to visit Canada. Others need to go and visit USA places, Europe and Asia in general. What I can tell you here, we have a partner in Canada who is a conference organizer, and it's called the Global Conference Alliance Incorporation. This one is most known in Canada and will help you to get all documents the embassy will need, including those invitations which are notarized officially. Also, they can give you a letter requesting the embassy to speed up the visa application process. So when you want to come and visit one country, you go to the region selection, then you select maybe Canada, then you apply. Now you start filling the information. So dear friends, dear followers, this is the end of this video. Remember, we have the best scholarship in Europe, North Cyprus, where you can get between 25% up to 90% scholarship. If you are interested, kindly go to this link and start applying. We are helping people who will go for September intake. Goodbye. See you.